नमस्कार, आप देख रहे हैं नेक्स्ट 9 न्यूज़ और आज मैं तृप्ति आप सभी को इस खास रिपोर्ट में दिखाने वाली हूँ। जूही चावला ने आखिर ऐसा क्या किया है जिसकी वजह से सभी की रातों की नींद उड़ गई है। जी हाँ, आपकी भी रातों की नींद उड़ा देगी जूही चावला की वो बातें जो उन्होंने हाल ही में की है स्वच्छ मुंबई कैंपेन को सपोर्ट करने के लिए। जी हाँ, जूही चावला ने डिस्ट्रीब्यूट किया है इसके लिए 1 लाख क्लॉथ बैग्स। वाकई में बहुत बड़ी बात है ये कि जूही ने इतना बड़ा कदम उठाया है। पूरी बॉलीवुड इंडस्ट्री के लिए जूही चावला एक उदाहरण बन गई है। अब देखना होगा कि जूही चावला के नक्शे कदम चलकर किस तरह बाकी सुपरस्टार्स, फिल्मी हसीनाएं और फिल्मी कलाकार स्वच्छ मुंबई कैंपेन को सपोर्ट करते हैं। तो वहीं फिलहाल जूही चावला के साथ साथ वहां मौजूद इस कैंपेन का हिस्सा बनने वाले बाकी लोगों ने क्या क्या कहा और इस कैंपेन के सपोर्ट में किस तरह जूही चावला ने अपनी खूबसूरती और अपनी खूबसूरत बातों से सबका दिल जीत लिया, हम आपको इस रिपोर्ट में बताएंगे। साथ ही साथ जानेंगे हम जूही चावला की जिंदगी से जुड़ी कुछ खास बातें। जूही चावला ने खासकर एनवायरनमेंट को लेकर क्या क्या कहा जो शायद आप सभी की होश उड़ा दे। हम आपको सुनाते हैं उन्हीं से।
Now I invite our additional municipal commissioner. He did not come. Then I invite DG Shashi Sharma ji. Please come. Have the seat. Yeah. Then I invite Dr. Shyam Asurkar. Please take your seat.
Good evening, friends. We welcome the lead club, co-host lead club, Rotary Club of Queen City, Bombay Queen City. We also welcome the co-host clubs, Bombay Harbour, Bombay South and Bombay Downtown Sealand.
Good evening, everybody. Aswakar ji, all the Rotary co-host clubs. The purpose of today's meeting is to plan a Rotary project on reusable cloth bags to make a difference to the plastic problem. Rotary International has kept global warming and environment as one of its focus areas. We also believe that action related to environment needs to be done together by government, private organizations and NGOs. 1.2 million force, Juiji, just take note, 1.2 million Rotarians all over the world are daily taking action to mobilize resources, form partnerships and invest in infrastructure and training in projects that will lead to a long-term change. As per reports, the world is producing about 300 million tons of plastic every year, and a significant amount of which ends up in the oceans. In recent years, people have realized and started cutting down on plastic use. While a complete solution to the plastic problem is far away, she came to the World Rotary Conference last year in January. She gave a presentation on plastic problem, and that was the time when the seeds were sown in Rotarians for this project. Next, in December 2017, in this seminar at Borivali, an additional municipal commissioner Vijay Singhal had organized that seminar, and in that seminar, when Subhash Dalvi, the OSD of Vijay Singhal, he gave a lecture on waste and he took out a handkerchief from his pocket and converted it into a bag. He said, Shyamji, I want to bring a notice to that, and Juhiji also. Juhiji, the Friends of the Tribal Society exhibited a So that was the time when everything got together and this project came up.
There we can double it. We are going to have 1 lakh bag, cloth bag to be distributed during the 18-19, 1 lakh quantity. And if your support is going to be there, then I think the zero will be added.
So please let us give a big round of applause for being present here. It's an honor to have dignity like Rohit Chawla among us. Now I'll share some. I welcome all my co-presidents. You please rise for get recognized. Arun ji, Mittal ji, Puneet, Mittal ji Khan. Yeah, you all are welcome. Now let me tell you about our club projects. See, at present, today I received 50,000 check doing it from here doing pediatric heart surgeries for small children. So Alok Mehta gave 50,000 rupees for doing this pediatric heart surgery. Then I received 3 lakhs from our Dev Vaidya for our Bhavishya school at Paradevi that I received yesterday. So I think he also needs applause. And now, as you all know, we had our meeting last, where also it was a very nice meeting, and our next meeting on 26th of this month at Sisha Club CKNIT Hall, where we have a spouse night, where we have DJ, karaoke and cocktail and dinner. They all are able to attend in large number. I am not repeating the names of people on the dais because they already getting names have been taken. I'm just welcome Jogi ji, DJ Prabhu ji, Amit ji, Appa ji, my president, Sachi ji, Dr. Sham. My name is also Sham, and Daftari ji. Of course, my secretary is also Giri ji and Deepak ji. Where is Deepak ji? And now I hand over the mic to Mr. Amit to make further.
Thank you, Sean. Welcome to you all, you too. So we have about 10 seats remaining till the end of April. We need to register. Our date is the 1st to the 5th of August. So it's 4 nights and 4 days. So it's ex-Delhi, 59,000 rupees. It's a very deep sales, absolutely an uninvestable, because we did have a nice trip to Tashkent last year. So I think this will be even better.
Lunch, dinner, breakfast, everything. It is likely to inaugurate at the end of May. So I just forgot to announce that. I just took your one moment. Thank you.
Invite Amrish to please introduce the chief guest.
Good evening, friends. I have the honor of introducing him after that. Varied portrayals in a string of films like Ishq, Yes Boss. Her screen partner in many films, Shah Rukh Khan, became a business partner in a company called Dreams Unlimited. They jointly produced critically acclaimed hits as well as screen hits under that banner. Fir Bhi Dil Hai Hindustani, Ashoka and Chalte Chalte were all from this band. And then life took a new turn in her life. She found a life partner to redefine her roles on screen. Her focus on meaningful films has added prestigious Screen Award and Sansui Viewers' Choice Awards for Three Walls and Jankar Beats. She produced the film I Am and acted in award winners. Looks like awards are a habit for her. Her fans were once again surprised by her versatility. Night Riders with Shah Rukh Khan and her husband Jay Mehta. Her ever-alert persona took up mighty mobile companies when she campaigned almost. She supports the AK Munshi Yojana Trust, which empowers economically less privileged children. She was given the Priyadarshini Global Award in 2016, Usha Weber Puraskar in 2017. She has taken up the issue of environment. She has not yet put away her acting shoes. She is coming in a Vidhu Vinod Chopra and also a Siddish Pujakal film very soon. I am out of breath and I could still go on, friends. Yoga enthusiast and a lady with a golden heart. Not necessarily in that order, but definitely all of that and more. Friends, Juhi Chawla Mehta.
Vijay Singhal, a dynamic young IAS officer of Maharashtra cadre. He was the collector of Kolhapur. Then he went on to become the commissioner for sugar for
Next 9 News report.
Subscribe and press the bell icon for latest update.